Welcome to JH. I heard about CurveVera and their pitch for cooling shapewear with tummy control, which sounds tempting, much like a salad that miraculously tastes like pizza. However, my investigation immediately hit a wall of red flags. The website launched in June 2025, an impressive feat of time travel, and claims thousands of happy customers despite having absolutely no legitimate history. Security analysts have slapped it with a trust score near zero, warning that the site exhibits every classic sign of a scam, from stolen product images to prices that are more fantasy than reality. Apparently, too good to be true is their primary business model. When I went looking for actual human experiences, I found exactly one Trustpilot review from July 2025. This lone survivor ordered a cooling minimizer bra, but received a garment that looked like it was designed by someone who had only ever heard a vague, third-hand description of what a bra is. The item lacked underwire support, looked nothing like the ad, and arrived in packaging that screamed shoved into a bag in a dark alley. While the reviewer strangely claimed it was comfortable, it's clearly just another generic overseas shop playing a high-stakes game of guess what's in the box. It gets even better if you enjoy shouting into a void. There is an official report on the BBB scam tracker from a customer who tried to return ill-fitting lingerie and was met with the kind of silence usually reserved for a terrible first date. No refund, no response, just a disappearing act with the customer's cash. Reading between the lines, CurveVera might occasionally send you something wearable by accident, but it won't be what you paid for, and their customer support is essentially a ghost town. Unless you enjoy donating your hard-earned money to mysterious strangers in exchange for random scraps of fabric, you should probably stay far away.